Looking for the best hair clippers and trimmers that actually deliver what they promise? Stick around because we've ranked 5 top-rated options, from the weakest to the absolute best, so you know exactly which one's right for you. Let's kick things off with the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 3. This one's coming in at the bottom of our ranking, but that doesn't mean it's not worth a look. It's a simple, compact, and travel-friendly trimmer designed for light grooming needs. The Braun 3430 features ultra-sharp blades, 20 precision length settings, and a cordless design that lasts up to 50 minutes on a full charge. It's great for quick beard touch-ups or trimming your neckline, and the adjustable precision wheel makes length changes smooth and accurate. Plus, you can rinse the head and combs underwater, which makes cleaning up pretty effortless. However, it's not quite built for more demanding tasks. With only 2 attachments and a max length of 10 millimeters, it doesn't offer the flexibility needed for full haircuts or detailed fades. There's also no fast charging feature, and you'll need your own USB adapter to power it up. If you're after something basic, affordable, and easy to travel with, the Braun 3430 might be a perfect fit. It's especially handy for guys who just want a no-fuss trimmer for light-duty grooming. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products from today's review at the best prices in the description below, right? Next up, we've got the Wahl Color Pro Complete Haircutting Kit model. This one's a corded option with plenty of power, sitting just above the Braun. It's definitely more of a traditional clipper, perfect for at-home haircuts with a familiar barbershop feel. What really makes this model stand out is its heavy-duty power drive motor. It chews through thick hair like it's nothing, and the self-sharpening blades mean less maintenance in the long run. The color-coded combs are a nice touch too. They help you remember your preferred cutting length without guessing. It even includes a full 26-piece kit with scissors, taper combs, and a cape. But because it's corded, you're tethered to the wall. That limits flexibility, especially compared to the cordless options on this list. It's also a bit bulkier and louder than modern trimmers, and the side taper lever can feel a bit fragile over time. If you want a powerful machine for regular family haircuts and you don't mind staying plugged in, this one's a solid choice. It's reliable, complete, and straightforward. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Coming in third place is the Wahl Color Pro Cordless. Now, this one's a familiar name for a reason. It offers a blend of versatility, ease of use, and that signature Wahl durability that people trust. What makes it a standout is its dual-use capability. You can use it corded or cordless, which adds tons of convenience. It runs for about 60 minutes on a full charge, and the detachable blades are easy to clean underwater. The color-coded guide combs, just like the corded version, help you find the right length quickly. For families or beginners cutting hair at home, it checks a lot of boxes. Still, it's not perfect. The 12-hour charging time is painfully long, and it's not ideal for super thick or coarse hair. The plastic guide combs can also feel a little flimsy compared to some of the more premium models out there. If you're looking for a dependable all-around clipper that covers the basics without overwhelming you, this is a smart pick. It's especially great for home users and first-time clippers who want cordless convenience. In second place, we've got the Philips Multi-Groom Series 3000. This is your all-in-one grooming tool that covers everything from your beard to your nose hairs, and even your neckline. It's like the Swiss Army knife of trimmers. This model gives you 13 different attachments and a 60-minute runtime, which is more than enough for most grooming sessions. The self-sharpening blades stay sharp for years, and the guards are washable under the tap. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its price. That said, the 16-hour charging time is a serious downside, and you can't use it while it's charging. It's also not waterproof, so no trimming in the shower, and unlike some of the newer models, it lacks a quick charge function. Still, it's a versatile, value-packed trimmer that delivers a whole lot without breaking the bank. It's ideal for someone who needs a full-body grooming kit without going overboard. Finally, we've made it to the top pick, Philips Multi-Groom Series 7000. This is hands down the best of the bunch, packing power, precision, and premium design into one sleek trimmer. First off, it offers an incredible 5-hour runtime on a single charge. That's unheard of in this price range. Add to that a quick charge feature and full waterproofing, and you've got a tool that's built for serious grooming flexibility. The metal frame feels premium in your hand, and it comes with 13 high-quality attachments that cover everything from fades to body hair. There are a couple of minor drawbacks. You'll need your own wall adapter since it charges via USB-A, and some of the plastic guards could be a little sturdier, but really, those are nitpicks in an otherwise top-tier trimmer. If you want professional results at home, with max runtime and every attachment you'll ever need, this is the one to beat. Whether you're detailing a beard, trimming hair, or going full body, the MG7910 delivers in every category. So there you have it, our top picks for hair clippers and trimmers ranked from basic to the absolute best. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on each of these products, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert reviews. See you in the next one.